interested in stealing it.
There is somebody in every household. There is the special somebody who put things
Misplaces.
in certain places, and this somebody has to be punished all the time. Oh, there you go. Here it is. Somebody showed up and found the wine opener. So we're gonna go today with the white. The white today would be a double range. Yeah, that's a very popular one. Thank you. Fantastic. Very well. Now, the glasses. You're gonna go the big one or the small one?
Big.
Okay. They have such a nice sound. Clink, clink, clink. Look at that. Ah. Oh my God.
Not crystal.
Can you hear the sound?
Yeah.
These are the type of glasses you need, yeah? Clink, clink. The chef is coming, the chef is coming. Yes, Your Majesty. Aba. Here it is. Here it is, yeah? Yes, Your Majesty. Your Majesty, how would you like to have this wine today? What do you think? Would you like to taste? You say yes or no? Oh, you already know. Thank you, Your Majesty. Thank you. We're coming here. Ah, how they do it like this? Oh. How many glasses of wine you guys want?
What do you mean? How many glasses of wine?
I don't know, you drunkards.
The more is better.
The more is better. Okay. It's going to be full glass. Yep. Yeah. Yeah. And then for me, it's the good old Cabernet Sauvignon. That's right. That's right. How can you even get such a juicy steak with a white wine? That doesn't make sense to me.
Anya's eating fish. So
Oh,
it's a
the
good
fish
choice.
is going with the white.
I just
Okay,
I
no
don't
problem.
like that red wine.
Okay, we're ready. We're cooking. Cook. Okay. Oh, that is the right way to do it. That is the right way to do it. So now I'm going to show you guys here. Over there, something is going on. This is what is going on. Exactly the right way for the asparagus to be. Not too soft, but not too. Just like a little like a jelly.
You're setting the nurse?
Yeah.
Have you seen sugar?
Sugar. It was a song of Maroon 5. sugar. Na, na. Na, 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 na. Okay, and the fish is coming. I cannot wait any longer, so the asparagus must be ready, and the salmon. So now we have to get the oh wow. Knife? Yes.
I know, we just.
Here, Your Majesty. What do you say? Huh?
Yeah, the salmon is well cooked.
It is.
Just like Anya likes it. She doesn't like it like semi-cooked.
Okay.
Ты не любишь такой? Я тоже люблю. Сашуля, хочешь тоже матчу с молочком и с сиропом?
And for the salmon, we're gonna make like a special bed. The salmon will go on a bed of. The salmon will go on a bed of asparagus. See, you will need the glass and here. It's so much right there on the bed of the asparagus. And here is a little bit of extra salmons for me. So there you have it. It's very ready. I'm done. Here it is, the foil. You can just take it out immediately. That's it. Turn off the oven. And that's it. There you have it. Dinner is served.
We're not gonna record, right? How we eat.
No.
Because we really need to have a moment for ourselves.
Yes. I will be the boss in the central position.
No, this is my spot.
This is your spot, so why you are going with the big steak? Here is your middle steak.
I want a big steak.
Okay. Yeah, but this is like...
You should eat that semi-roast steak.
Yes, that is the one.
Yes, садись к столу.
And that is the... And that is the rare steak. Okay.
Okay, thank you guys for watching. We start eating.
Okay, yes, the dinner, it's ready in 1 hour. I believe the record is 1 hour and 15 minutes with the cleaning, just as well with the cleaning. And here it is. There's no sign of cooking. Yeah. Okay, this is a angry.
I'm already chewing asparagus.
This is a nice. Okay, so here we have it. You know, this is the middle steak. Yes, it looks nice and juicy. That is the rare, the first steak, which is rare, medium rare, and that is mine. Is also medium rare. I will stick with the red wine. Her Majesty, the Energy Queen, will stick with the white wine. And Józek, the Józek will be there. Now let's see. Now let's see results. Now let's see what we did.
It looks to me like well
done. Oh, well done. That is not for me. Yeah, it is super well done. We don't like it like this.
Because you left it there for.
Yeah, so I'm gonna stick with the one over there. Yeah, that would be my choice today.
What about my steak?
Oh, yours it's well
done too, just like
well
I like
done.
it.
Yeah.
This one is not well done. He likes it this way.
I like it rare to medium rare, and yeah, of course.
What about our magical like sauce or marinara sauce? What was?
Oh, we forgot about that. Yes, that was That was extra on the. That was the extra for the steak we choose today to deal with the local, with the local, sourced sauce from that very restaurant, pizza restaurant. It's called Jake's Sauce Company, and we're gonna. Okay, that's not the proper plate, so we're gonna get like a little bit of better plate. Here you have it. Here you have it. We're gonna get this fra Diavolo, the Diavolo. Okay? Say hello to the camera so we can start the dinner. Thank you.